Right. I'm back again on my channel, I'm back again on my page. I'm back again on my podcast. Right. I'm going to call blue as blue. I'm going to call white as white. I'm going to call green as green. I'm going to hold the bull by the horns and say it the way I saw it and say it the way I observed it and say it the way I must say it right now on my podcast, Kudzimadzro podcast. Right. I saw a comment on my channel, somebody from Bulawayo, somebody from Matebeni province, Matebeni region, complaining. The guy was not happy. The guy was not excited because of this thing that I want to say in this video right now. So the guy was saying to me through the comment on my channel, on my podcast, on my page, that you Shona guys, you Shona men, the only thing that you like in Matebelen, the only thing that you want in Matebelen province in Bulawayo is only women. You only want women. You only like women from Bulawayo, from Matebele province. I'm like, what are you saying? What are you saying, man? So the guy was not happy, very much complaining that, Shona guys, Shona men, no. What you're doing is very bad. What you're doing is not fine. You are taking our women from Bulawayo. You are taking our women from Matebele province. You are taking our girls, our ladies, our women from Matebele province. So the guy was not happy, complaining through this comment on my channel, on my podcast, on my page. I'm here now to address that thing. I'm here now to give my thoughts, give my perceptions as far as that is concerned. As far as I can remember, as far as I can know or understand this thing, Shona guys or Shona men have been marrying this and Ndebele women for a long time, a very long time. And I don't see any problem in this issue. I don't see or I don't understand why this guy has to complain. I don't understand why he has to complain on my page, on my channel, on my podcast. But this thing is normal. As long as there's a girl and a boy involved, this thing is normal. Whether from any tribe or country or ethnicity or from whatever background in life, this thing is normal. You understand? So I don't really get it when the guy has to complain, when the guy has to mumble and baffle on my channel, on my podcast. Even the Bele guys have been marrying Shona women. I know, I got evidence to what I'm saying. The Bele guys, the Bele men, at whatever age, they've been marrying Shona women, Shona ladies, Shona girls for a very long time. And I got the evidence to back what I'm saying or to support what I'm saying. A lot of evidence. So this thing is vice versa on either side. Shona to Ndebele or Ndebele to Shona. And I've never heard a Shona men, Shona guys complaining about that. I've never heard that complaining. That Ndebele guys are taking our Shona girls or Ndebele men are taking our Shona ladies, Shona women. I've never heard Shona guys complaining or Shona men complaining. So I don't really get it. I don't really understand why this guy was lamenting, crying, complaining on my channel, on my podcast, on my page. I don't understand. This thing is normal. Even in South Africa, where I was for all the years that I was in that country, I saw Zulu men marrying closer women or closer men marrying Zulu women. I saw Venda men marrying from another tribe, maybe Sutu or Venda or Swati or Pedi or Tsonga. You understand? This thing is normal anywhere around the world, in Africa, anywhere, meaning from another tribe or from another culture or from another background. This thing is normal. So this is what I want to say right now. This is how I want to address this issue. Of course, I know it's not only this guy who is crying. It's not only this man who is crying. There are a lot of people like him who are also crying or lamenting or whatever, in that respect, in that regard. There are a lot of people like him. So this video is going to address people like that, Not only this guy, but a lot of people like him. So this is what I want to say. This thing is normal, especially in this 21st century, in this current modern world. This thing is very normal. I was in South Africa. I saw a lot of intertribal marriages or intertribal relationships. Zulu and Venda, Venda and Xhosa and Pedi, Pedi and Swati, Swati and Sisutu, Sisutu and Tsonga, Tsonga and Zulu, Tsonga and isiXhosa. I saw this happen for a very long time. So same again, even in Zimbabwe, Republic of Zimbabwe, you can see a Shona and Ndebele, and Ndebele and a Shona. This thing has become normal to the extent or to the point whereby I don't expect to see somebody crying because of that. To see a grown-up guy, a grown-up woman crying because of that. That they're taking our women, they are taking our girls, or they are taking our ladies. I don't understand, and I don't know. So this is my response. This is how I address this thing. This thing is very normal anyway. Or maybe another example. You can see a black guy with a white girl, a white woman with a black guy, with a black man. Interrace relationship or interrace marriage. A black guy and a white girl, a white woman and a black man, black guy. It's just normal. As long as a man and a woman, and not a man and a man or a woman and a woman, that becomes bad. A man and a man will become bad, or a guy and a guy will become very bad, or a woman and a woman, a girl and a girl, that will be very bad. But black guy and a white girl is fine. White girl, white woman with a black guy, black man is fine. As long as across the gender, a girl and a guy, a man and a woman. You understand? So this is how I take it. So Shona guys or Shona men are not taking Ndebele women. They're doing what is normal to human life or human living. This is just normal. And it's very much expected of everyone to do. You like any girl, take her, it's fine. You like any woman, any lady from whatever tribe, take her. And do what you want to do, it's fine. A relationship or a marriage, go ahead and do it. Let's do it. What's the problem? I don't see any problem. You like any woman from whatever country, go to that country and take her. Go to that tribe and take her. Go to that culture and take her. Go to that family and take her. What's the problem? I don't understand. So the mentality or the mindset of that guy who commented on my channel, on my page, on my podcast, it needs to be corrected. It needs to be upgraded to another mindset, to another mentality. That's a bad mentality. That's a bad mindset. We are living in 21st century. We are living in the modern world. These things are common. These things are so ordinary right now. So usual. I can marry from whatever country myself. I can marry from whatever family, from whatever tribe, whatever culture. I don't care. You understand? As long I like the girl, as long I want the girl, that's fine with me. And I do whatever is needed for me to get the girl. Any country, any culture, any tribe, any ethnicity, any background. You understand? So it's not an issue of Ndebele guys, they must marry Ndebele women. No. And Ndebele men must marry Ndebele women or Ndebele ladies. No. It can be crisscross. You can cross over and take whoever you want from any tribe, any culture, any country. I think on this subject, I'm done talking. What are your comments on what I've said? What are your comments, views, opinions? Drop in the comment box, drop in the comment section. I'll come and attend to them. I'll come and check them out. Everything that came to your mind when I was talking, explaining, describing this issue, what came to your mind, what popped up in your brain, in your mind, write or type in the comment box. Let's talk further about this subject. Having a relationship from another tribe, from another culture, from another country, or maybe from another race. You're a black guy and you want a white girl. How far? How do you see it? How do you take it? So let's talk this further in the comment section. Let's discuss. Let's have a conversation. Let's have a dialogue in the comments box. Otherwise, I'm Kudzimadzuru and I'm done talking. Peace out. Sharp.